Hi, it's Noe with WTI. If you plan on doing any outdoor activity that involves water, then you're gonna wanna check out these water shoes from SEEKWAY. One of my favorite things about this pair of water shoes is just how comfortable they are. I was able to do so many activities with just this one pair of shoes. I really put them through the ringer, so they really showed how durable they were. They went through sand, through mud, on hikes, swimming in the ocean, and also in the pool. And they drained and dried really easily. These shoes come in a variety of colors, so you're bound to find one that you love. I chose white, and I would say don't be afraid to get white. I was able to wash them out, and I even put them through the washer and then air dried them, and they still look great. I wore these shoes multiple days in a row and never got any blisters. So if you're looking for a pair of water shoes that can hold up to a variety of activities, then I would highly recommend this pair from SEEKWAY. And that's my point of view.